Hello, my name is Alina. I'm studying level 2 hairdressing. I'm from Ukraine and I arrived to the UK in May the last year. I have experience in the beauty industry of the many years and I have been a manager. I learned English in Coleg Cambria the last year and I found out the courses in Coleg Cambria of hairdressing and beauty. And I like to be the student in Coleg Cambria because I think there is a lot of friendly people. They help me, our tutors support me. I want to get as more levels as I can and I want to be not only like professional, I want to be a teacher or tutor in that industry and show the other people how it's amazing.